Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Audi A3 Quattro. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 220 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch multi-spoke wheels, black leather interior, automatic transmission, panel sunroof, A3 2-liter turbo quattro badging, all season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, Bang & Olufsen sound system, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, heated seats, cup holders, automatic transmission, hard keys for the media display. This A3 has 61,567 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2015 Audi A3, visit us at feldmannimports.com.